how you can create an Apple account with iCloud account. So let's see how we can do this thing. At first we need to click the Apple menu and it will pop up this type of menus. From here we have to choose system settings. I'm going to click here so that system settings window will be opened, and here on the top left side we'll see sign in. If we don't have any account, generally it will be like that. We just need to click here and very shortly you will find this type of page. From this page you see there are a couple of things are there. If you already have an account which is Apple account, you can directly type it here, or with your phone you can log in. But I don't have, so what I need to do, we just need to click this section, don't have an account. We just need to click this button and very shortly it will bring this menu. From here we have to choose the date of birth. I'm going to choose one random date of birth like 1, and then I'm going to choose 1 year, like for example 2006 for example, and then I'm going to press the next button. Once I press the next button, then we need to type our first name. For example, for my case, first name FewSteps, then email address FewSteps. Here I want to mention one other thing. So here you can use your personal email address to sign in, but I'm not going to sign it. Rather, I'm going to use this option, get a free iCloud email address. Once I click here, basically it will give this thing, and here we'll get Apple ID and iCloud account together. So basically we are getting two things. One is Apple ID, other is iCloud account. So here I'm going to type the name of the iCloud account, FewSteps, so like that, and we need to type the password. I'm going to type a strong password. Same way we need to verify the same password, and then we have to uncheck this thing, and then we have to press the next button. If the email address is already used, I already have the email address, that's why it is showing like that. So what we need to do, we need to change this email address a little bit so that it should be unique. Once it is unique, then we go to the next step. I modified the email address so that it should be unique, and once it is unique, now we can press the next button to go to the next step. One more thing I want to mention, after pressing the next button, here we need to put our phone number to verify. If we don't have any phone number, it is very difficult. So you can do one thing, you can type your phone number, and after that, once you type the phone number, you have to press the next button, and once you press the next button, then it will tell you that it is going to send on temporary code, or it can call you for the temporary code once you select the next button. But sometimes you are unable to verify or get code, then you will get this message, so you can ignore it and you can proceed to the next step. Here we need to agree the terms and condition. I'm going to click this thing. I have agree this thing so that we can go to the next step. If we don't check this thing, we cannot go further. So I'm going to click this checkbox and it will be selected, and later I'm going to click this agree button to go to the next step. Once I press the next button, not next but agree button, then it will give us the confirmation that Apple ID has been created, which is the same as iCloud account, and here you will see your name is there. It will take some time to go. After few seconds or 1 minute or 2 minutes, it will be gone, and you will see some things is updating like here, and here it is asking enter Mac password. So we need to set put our Mac password. So I'm going to type the password of this Mac, and then I'm going to press the continue button, and very shortly it will be set up properly. And now if we click here, then we'll see everything. Allow Mac, allow find my Mac to use this location of this Mac. If you wish, you can allow, otherwise you can use not now. So I'm going to choose not now, and very shortly it will be logged in and our account sign up is complete. And that's it. In this way we can easily create our Apple ID or iCloud account by using your Mac.